Good morning, everyone. It's Trina Craig here sharing the upcoming March Weekender Life Crafted Kit. I'm always so excited to be able to reveal the upcoming kits to you. And as always, I'm going to start off by just running you through the kit contents. Our kit subscribers for our Life Crafted Kit get access to free digital files each month. And one of those files, in addition to beautiful cut files, are these cut aparts that are designed by Caitlin Schaefer, and you can cut them up and add them as extra elements to your creative pages throughout the month. So I'm going to start with that and also show you get some bonus journaling cards in addition to the journaling cards that come with the kit that you can print out as individuals and stretch and shape to your heart's desire. And I'm going to jump right into starting with the ephemera of the kit. I worked on the ephemera design for this month and just went with just real bright, happy colors that are reminiscent of weekends to me. Here's a close-up of the ephemera. And one of the things I'm loving about the ephemera this up and coming month, are all of the tags that you get. Plus you get lots of sentiments and words. You get some florals. You get some little tabs in different colors, hearts. And I have to tell you, I've just had so much fun playing with the tag elements this month. Next, I am going to move on to our pattern paper. These are exclusive for the Life Crafted Kit and designed to coordinate beautifully with all the embellishments and ephemera. So this is the collection coming to you in your March Life Crafted Kit. And there's always a little bit of vintage in my heart and in my soul, and I actually try to get some vintage in there every month. And this month I picked this up off of an old vintage sheet design that I fell in love with from probably the 70s, early 70s, and kind of did a take on it and brought that to this kit. Next on to the other, I missed a couple things. You, of course, get the cut apart tag sheet in your kit every month. You get a 3x8 bookmark card. This month one is a pattern paper, one has a beautiful little saying on it. You get some 4x6 cards that are double-sided and designed by Caitlin Schaefer as well. And of course you get the 3x4 cards that you can use in your Life Crafted album, in your project life, on your scrapbooking layouts, and you can also use them in your traveler's notebooks. So those are some of the journaling cards that go with the kit. And we also have some wonderful chipboards, again, in the bright, happy colors on this wonderful matte chipboard that I love to work with. And I was so excited when these came in from the manufacturer. They came out better than I had planned. These metallic gold, skinny, fairly small. They're about 3/8 of an inch, a little more than 3/8 of an inch tall alphabets that you are going to fall in love with, and you're probably going to want to get more than just the one that comes in the kit, because they are so amazing and I'm burning through those. And back by popular demand, more of our puffy hearts. We get requests for these all the time, and this time they come to you in very bright, very happy colors. And we have the kit stamp, and I love this sentiment. Life is especially good on a Friday. We have a 3x4 stamp that comes in the kit each month. In addition to that, we have some other stamps that we release separately as subscriptions or for sale individually, and these follow on in the weekend theme and tune. And I want to share with you a couple of the little layouts that I've made with this month's kit. I did throw in this heart from the January kit from the Gold Glitter Ephemera, and I included some of the vintage embellishments on these layouts, and we do have a vintage kit, a little add-on kit coming on the last day of this month. This, I couldn't help but mixing in just a couple of the elements from our March add-on kit that you are going to just fall in love with when you see the new products coming out from Glorious Stamp Market. I just love their new Miss Modern line, and we've included a lot of that in with our March add-on kit. And then a quick sneak peek at our vintage flea market find kits. This is one of my hobbies. I love to explore old books and linens and ribbons and fabrics and little tags and put them together in vintage kits now and then. Each one of these is unique, packed by itself, and is its own little entity. Anyways, that's it for this month. I can't wait to see what you create with our March Weekender Life Crafted Kit that comes in our brand new packaging. Happy month, everyone. Thanks for listening.